A breaking development happening where the former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh is said to be flying to Delhi, and what is being said that he is in all likelihood to call upon Union Home Minister Amit Shah in the national capital. Now, lots can be said or speculated over this meeting there, but this time around it is Captain Amrinder Singh. He is not going to be meeting his party top brass from the Congress, but what is being said that he is flying down to Delhi to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Amandeep, help us understand what's happening when it comes to this visit of Captain Amrinder Singh to Delhi.
A lot of political developments are being likely to be held during this captain's visit in Delhi, Amita. And in fact, when he is not meeting Congress High Command, and he is likely to meet Amit Shah, who is the Union Home Minister. And in fact, farmers' issue is the top of the list that can be discussed during this meeting. And today, around 3:30, he will be flying from Chandigarh to Delhi to meet Amit Shah as well. But very silent Captain Amrinder Singh. All of a sudden, when he resigned from the post of the Chief Minister, Captain remained silent. He did not step up for any political activity. But all of a sudden, when his rival camp has set up his team, he allotted the portfolios to the cabinet ministries, dropped his own ministers. 5 ministers of Captain Amrinder Singh has been dropped from the cabinet, and even the portfolios has been decided without any consent of Captain Amrinder Singh. And even the newly appointed Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi did not turn up for a single time to meet Captain Amrinder Singh. And now Captain is heading to his political activities, just because from last 3 days Captain was meeting his old NDA batchmates, and he has a very gala time with them, and in fact enjoyed a lot, have a lot of discussions over the political terms. And
Amandeep, just stay on with us. I believe Aishwarya is getting us more details on the same. Aishwarya, what can be said over this meeting likely to happen with Union Home Minister in Delhi?
Well, at this point of time, let's say that Captain Amrinder Singh, now the former Chief Minister of Punjab, is coming to the national capital. He's going to be meeting more than one cabinet minister. Without picking any names, we can tell you that he's going to be meeting with more than one minister. It is also expected that he may meet the top man himself here in the national capital. So Captain Amrinder Singh, as our colleague Amandeep was also indicating, the political turmoil after Captain being literally pushed out, and Captain saying that he was humiliated and now a new Chief Minister in place, Congress is giving a cold shoulder to him. And hence he's trying to send out a message to the Congress party by coming to the national capital and meeting not the Congress leaders and not basically trying and sending out a message to his own party, because he still said that he's still a very active Congress leader. So if he meets not one but several cabinet ministers here in the national capital, though we are being told that officially it is going to be on the issue of farmers' protest. But then when it is Captain Amrinder Singh and when the meeting happens between the likes of the top ministers here in the national capital, there is going to be a political implication of it.
Aishwarya, thanks very much for getting us those details. Amandeep, keep track on all the movement that happens as far as Captain Amrinder Singh is concerned. As you said this afternoon, that he will be leaving for Delhi. What is being said, that he will be meeting not just Union Home Minister Amit Shah, but other ministers too. And we'll keep our viewers updated on the same.